everybody. Welcome to another wonderful, fantastic, exciting week of CodWhispers.
Yeah!
Today we are in Walker on Pottery Bank on the River Tyne, and there's quite a few of you probably know this place already. We have been down here before. Dennis picked this spot today. We thought we'd come down because of the fact as well, last week we were on Smith Stocks, as I've already seen, and why the Caddy Time didn't we last week?
Aye.
So we thought we'll come and give the river another chance. So Dennis picked this place, which was quite canny.
Because it's quite, I mean, there's no rubbish and that flying about it here. I feel a good day, actually.
Yeah, every day. The water seems clear, seems nice and clean. It's lovely. Right, and for the pick and mix of the day, we have got some live lugworm, which came from McDermott's shop in Ashington, Northumberland. Thanks very much, John. Much appreciated.
Cheers, John. Not this John.
Aye, John in the shop. Well, now who he is. Aye, so thanks a lot. And also in the pick and mix, we have got some mackerel fillets that we got from John in McDermott's again, and we have got some razor, mussel, squid, and have I missed out any bluey?
I don't think there's any bluey. I'm not too sure, John.
I know we've got quite a bit in the pick and mix of the day. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll catch something. And for the gear we're using, Dennis is using, he's got his twins here, he's got his Tronics Outbreak 14 foot with his boom multiplier 7000C.
Yeah.
And for myself, I've got my Accura's Airlights 355 with a paired up with my Pain Rival 6000's fixed spool, which I find them two work perfect together, right for me today anyway. So hopefully we'll catch a few fish for you like we did last week.
I hope so.
I hope so, you know.
So, seems a good deal, like, you know.
The water's nice and clear, isn't it?
Aye. So all I've got to say as well, thank you very much for your support. We were off the air for a couple of weeks, but we came back, and we've actually came back with some good reviews on, didn't we? Really?
There were some nice comments.
Some nice comments, and
I do appreciate it.
Just unreal.
Mate, I must say one of the comments had me chuckling. Was Andy York. Andy, I loved your comment, what you said about Dennis. It was absolutely fantastic. When I read it, it had me in hysterics. Brilliant.
Wait, tell ladies and gentlemen what it said.
It was something about E-Tech in the eye. What was it? The glass eye?
Glass eye. Glass eye.
E-Tech, a load of shit.
Look,
the thing is, I was reading these comments, and thanks, Eddie. You had me in stitches. You really did. It was absolutely fantastic.
Well, you know.
But anyway,
then there was another one. Come on, John didn't see it this morning. The Chuckle Brothers. The Chuckle Brothers. Oh wait, yeah.
But oh Christ! But never mind.
To me, to you. To me, to you.
Right, so what we're going to do for the time being is, right, are you going to see it before?
Wait, actually,
oh God, yeah, we're going.
Is my hat straight this time?
Aye, there's Benny Hill.
Because I noticed on the video when I watched it, my hat was on
last week.
On last week, in this one, he was laughing, he didn't tell us, and he's just calling us Benny Hill in the bloody car.
But it's like, I didn't even. And you could do that, like.
I'll be chasing you.
Rank 6.
Outdoors.
Fuck, I'm leaving here. I'll beat that.
So like what John says, well, come to one here, try it, and then we're going to have a cover.
You playing Mother?
I suppose I'll play Norseman again.
You know what it is? You've got Norseman on the brain. What do you need your wife think a damn one there?
Tell you what it is, next day we'll have a fidget now what I'm going to wear.
Right, this is the last video ever getting done.
Oh,
If you're coming to... I didn't even want to have them posting me, it doesn't matter. Forget it. No.
ladies and gentlemen, he's going to spoil my fun. I mean, our fun.
Really? Right. Anyway, for the time being, because he's taking that much. Aye. What we're going to do is, we're going to have a cup of coffee. We'll stick you on the roads for a bit. We'll see if we can catch out.
And I'm going to play as mother.
And I'm so pleased you said mother. Right, so we'll get back to you if there's out else.
I'm saying no, John.
Right, okay, I'm with you for a cup of coffee. Oh, that's seen. Right, looks like Dennis is getting a double whammy. Are they waiting?
Waiting.
Aye. Well done, mate. That's it.
Oh, come on.
You got them?
Oh, look at that, man. Right, ladies and gentlemen. So what Dane does it again?
A double shot.
Double shot. The only small ones, but it's
a fish.
not a blankety blank.
Not the
I've
deal.
only been down half an hour. That's the second cast. One was on squid and one was on
That's black, isn't it?
black.
Black Luke.
There you go.
Aye. Well done. For the rigs of the year, what we're using is we're using 2 hook flappers. One is, as you can see, got a few retractors on it. That's a size 2 hook. On the Accura's Airlight 355 with a 4 ounce watch lead. Dennis is using a similar setup. He's using 2 flapper rigs as well. He's got a size 1 hook on, as well as on the other one is a size 2 as well. Bit like myself, one rig I've where it's got 1 zeros on flappers, and this one's got 2 flappers. But one of them has got retractors on and the other one hasn't. See if it catches on.
There's no Dean at the minute. Just fetched the words in now. Cast it on again. It was a big tree trunk. And it's just past, so we'll be able to cast it. It's gotten a bit nippy. Joe's got the car running for the heating. So I'll give another cuppa.
Right, as we said before, we're doing two hook flappers. Trying a bit of lug on it, bit of bluey this time. I'm just getting the hell out of the camera. See if that helps. Oops, God. That's what you're not doing. Jack no freaks. I'll just give you a good bit of a clean there. I've got bluey juice splattered hell out of you. I don't know how you take that. There, nice and clean. I like you watching the piece. Aye, and every time we make a mistake or mess up, I'll leave it in because it happens, it's reality. My bail alarm flick back on as I try to cast. Shit happens. Right, it's 20. Ah, hello.
Hey, hello.
He eventually got here, the old man. I'm not going to tell you what he got for his birthday. Take it this way, I tell you what he got for his birthday before I get into the fishing log. It's got something to do with his age. He's just been telling us in the car how the buggers. And I tell you what it is, it was far too much information. Right, fishing.
No, I forgot about that. Wait a minute, John. I would like to thank everybody with comments for my birthday. If it wasn't for him putting something on, nobody would have known. But thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. Right.
Hey, definitely the birthday boy.
We'll get back to fishing now.
Right. Yeah, he's
He's stumped now and first time he's been stumped.
I just wish he was stumped. Right, back to fishing. Right, it's now it's 20 past 11.
Are you sure?
It's 20 past 11
You stood on there. I'll keep quiet, John.
You know what it is, I'm going to throttle him.
No,
for right, that there in the comment, yeah, bloody right. Don't have a fishing session. Right. It's 20 past 11. High tide was 10 o'clock. There's now been caught since Dennis got the doubler. Them two whitings on first cast. I think it's been first cast the curse.
Actually, your second cast.
Was that second cast?
Yes.
Was it?
Get it
Oh,
right.
I've been mistaken.
Get it right, John. Can't get no right.
That's what your wife said, buddy.
Don't look at me like that.
She gave you one simple tax to get on your bloody both, and you still got it wrong apparently. Right, back to fishing. Eating age, because apparently she's so in the city. That's got nothing to do with your age. Right. Back to fishing. Right, it's 20 past 11. Dennis caught on his second cast. As he got, you seen, he got 2 little whitings. But we've had an out since then. But I will say it's bloody freezing this morning. But we've been here since about 20 past 8 because the traffic was absolutely horrendous getting here. It was really bad.
It was actually.
So we should have been here for about 7:30, but the traffic was that bad. We didn't get here till after 8 o'clock when high tide was 10 o'clock. But like I say, it's 20 past 11 now. Not else has been caught. Mind the water's been alright. We've only seen one tree trunk can down the river up the hill, but hasn't been bad, has it? The water really.
Not compared to last time.
Not compared, because last time it was absolutely horrendous. But today it's been alright. And then there's one other fisherman down here at the far end there. I don't know if he's caught out.
Well, I'm going to work doing shortly to have a chat with him.
Aye. So Dennis and I are having that out with him to see if he's caught out. But for now, I mean, and I'm going to have another cup of coffee myself.
Are you playing
Didn't need to say Norse, mate.
no, because you said it.
No, yeah, I just cringe every time I hear you say them words. Norse, mate. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the coffees. No, I said it before, you said Norse, mate.
Yeah, wait a
You
minute.
freak the hell out of me.
Get me phone.
I've got a wet nose now if we're running.
Phone the GP, you quick.
Hi, please, Nick. Right, so if there's out else, how you got out to see it? Right now, right.
Say the abuse, but I get.
I've just had that many complaints about you taking shite. No, but seriously, how you got out to see it? You haven't? Really? Treasure that
Well,
moment.
ladies and gentlemen, I couldn't resist it. No, John.
Right. Are you finished?
Aye,
Right.
I'm finished.
Right, so what we're going to do is make what I'm going to do is make myself a cup of coffee. And I suppose I better make the old man one.
And you know what it is? And I'm going to sit and have my lovely salad.
Right, you have your lovely salad.
And you'll drool again.
As long as I've got a cup of coffee, I'm happy to be truthful.
Well, your salad then?
Right, Nick, there you go, it's a salad. They try to tell me I'm getting fat.
No, John. Me missus is.
Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a cup of coffee and a lovely salad, get something to eat. What we'll do, we'll get back to you if there's any changes.
So that's 3 cups of coffee we're going to have. Because you've said it 3 times.
Dennis, the time you've been in that corner standing out there, you think you had a bloody dozen cups of coffee? Or are you?
Just, you know.
They wouldn't. Right, so we'll get back to you shortly. If there's anything else. Right, see you soon.
See you soon.
We still haven't gotten out yet, but I still live in hope. But mind, I must admit I always enjoy when I'm out fishing. I always enjoy going out. So for me, it doesn't matter if we're blank or not. It's just a love for the sport. I absolutely love it. I recommend anybody to start fishing. I really do. If anybody wants anything to take their mind off their problems, of work, or just a nice relaxing day, I recommend fishing anytime. But it's not for everybody. But I know it is for myself, and I know it is for Dennis. And Dennis is busy socialising at the minute. He's bending somebody else's hand instead of mine. It's just given my ears a rest. But I'm just hoping I can get another fish. Another fish, I haven't got my first fish yet. I'm just hoping I can get a fish before we're gone. So I think we'll be probably trying for another hour or so yet. Just hoping we can get something. But as you've seen, Dennis has already caught a couple. I think last week was to be my week. I had 6 flatties, but man, I enjoyed this. I would have enjoyed myself. I hadn't caught 6 flatties, but still enjoyed myself. Right, I think I'll get these brought in just to see if it's out on the end. Not had me breath. Yeah, a bit of weed. A little bit of weed, like. But maybe that'll be it's good. Not too much like. Like I said before, using a two hook trapper, some retractor beads, just to see if it helps. Same rig on the other one, but they retractor beads. Just see. Too bit too warm. See if this helps. Try not to get on the camera this time.
Codling?
Is it?
It's not. Don't worry.
Aye, Dennis is doing it again. Yes, it was.
Whiteys. Had them off, it's like the codling, isn't it?
Whoop.
No, it's not good.
Yeah.
No. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Dan's done it again, double up. I didn't have them all. Whiteys, I thought it was a codling, but it's not. Get one hooked and get them back in.
Well done, mate.
That's two double ups.
Please. It's gonna let them go back to see their mummy and daddy. There's one. There's two.
Yeah.
Well done, mate.
Go here. Shake your hands.
Well done, Mara. Dancing corner. Pottery corner, dancing corner.
We shall have a fishy in a little dishy. We shall have a fishy when Dan comes in. Two double ups. Happy and John this week.
Right, I've just pulled my rod in there. I'll eventually get the one. I got myself nice little codling, little baba.
Congratulations, John.
But definitely little codling.
It is definitely little.
Right, we'll get that back to see its mommy and daddy. I'm out of the moon with that. This is not a blank for me either. Right, there we go. Just a tiny one, but I'm pleased to see it. Right, we'll get him put back in. See his mother and father. He's away, straight away, right down to it. Totally chuffed for that. Not a blank. For anyone. We'll get back to you soon.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, I've done it again. That's 5 up to now, and I've just had a little tickle on this little bird. But I've done well. John got a little codling there, just a little tiny one. It's a cod. Landed it. So that's 5 up to now. Well, another 2 for last week's. So we caught up last week's. Still time. Just keep my fingers crossed. It's been a canny day. Bit chilly, but canny day of getting 5. So can't grumble at that. Just a little knock on, but I think it's a crab. But I think we'll try to be normal now. The videos will come out. I think we'll get my shift pattern back to normal. So we're using all kinds of baits. I'll tell you what it is. It's cod. We're not looking for the storm coming.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing. So what?
Wait, ladies and gentlemen, I've got a date. We shall have a fishy in a little dishy. We shall have a fishy when danger comes in. That's it, John. You know, I couldn't leave a poor lad out. You know what I mean?
Both caught the deer. Both caught the deer.
So it's not. What is it not?
A blankety blank. And I'm gonna say, I hope that's a good start of the year, and that is a good sign of the year for the pair work.
I hope so, John.
So
last season.
It was horrendous.
I hope so, John.
So let's just hope that we'll catch plenty. Right, I'm not gonna, but let's just hope. I hope it's a better start.
Right. It's alright. I mean, now, if we catch another 2, that's 7, so that's 14 fish in 2 weeks.
Alright. See, and now we're called CodWhispers, but at the end of the day, you've got to realise the reason of the name is because we are from Northumberland, we are from the North East, which is best known for cod fishing. But it doesn't mean to say we're after the cod all the time. What I keep telling Dennis is, what actually it means is, it's me shooting at Dennis because he's getting that slow, continuously walking behind us. I'm shooting, come on Dennis! That's what CodWhispers mean, it's me shooting at him, come on Dennis! But what can I say? I'll either get him a wheelchair or he'll be working behind his wheels in my frame soon. Well, in fact, now you'll be having your working stick, will not be your working stick, it'll be your roadstead. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Better still, John. If we could get it in the back of your car, I've still got my little jalopy. Mobility scooter.
Ah, yeah.
Unless it's good to
Ideal
it.
for the pier.
Oh, definite. The pier we're doing going on.
Because it's too far to work. Mind, I'm not going to argue with Dennis today because I have the pier because I can't be asked to work at the end.
I mean, Shields piers, I mean, we've been on there a few times.
That's not too bad.
But we're doing going right to the end.
Plus that there, we've both got trolleys. And I must admit, we'll have our boxes on my trolleys. Because it's just too far. Say which of likes of this place. I mean, I know there's a lot of you now where we are in Pottery Bank. Car is there. We're here. Perfect. It's not that we're getting lazy. It's just,
tell you what it is. It's nice and handy the deer, that car, I tell you.
It's been a bit of care, hasn't it?
I think we've been in more in the car than what I have out the car. It's good because you could just sit, watch your roads.
We have, if you think about it. We have, he's right actually. We've been sitting in the car watching the roads. As soon as we're seeing what roads, jump out the car to check the roads. And I must admit, I've got the engine running as well for to get the car nice and warm.
Where's it running?
Where's it running? Went there and back to see how far it is.
Oh, right. Did
Right.
I find out how far it is?
I went from there to your fishing rod for you.
Oh, right.
To get you ready. I had to drive to the fishing rod so you could sit in your seat and just do that.
Hey, that's great, that, isn't it?
Well, that'd be actually.
must be something like something doing here.
Hold on. I mean, you're getting it in.
There was catching. That's where I got fast hair last time.
Put it somewhere else. No, I mean, you know, somewhere else. I mean, the tide will be getting through like almost.
Place.
I would shift it.
I am. It's got to be something doing there, like. Okay, I've just geared that one up.
Huh?
I've just geared that one up.
Right, everyone, you've gotten this far, you'll be happy to see, you'll be pleased that you have, and thank you for bearing with us. And if you do like the channel, by the way, I hope you subscribe, give her a comment, give a review. Thank you so much for subscribing. And also, for a little bit of thanks, what we've decided to do is we've put together a little giveaway, but it's going to be a little bit different. What it is, we've got 10 of these packs, right? What it is, as you can see, it's a pack, but inside this pack we've put a fishing rig in, which the majority of them are 2-0 hooks. I mean, if you want to change it, you can, you're more than welcome to. So there's a fishing rig in, there is stickers in, and a couple of other bits and pieces, right? To be saying thank you to you all for helping out the time we've been doing YouTube. Right, so, but the thing is, for to get one of these packs, what you've got to do is, right, if you see Dennis and myself fishing, what you need to do is come up and say, love the hats, lads. And the first person to say love the hats, lads, will get one of these packs. But there's a few rules as well. The thing is though, it doesn't matter if there's 2 year, 3 year, 5 year or 10 year. Doesn't matter how many's in the group, only one pack goes to one group. So it's the first one that says it will get the pack. Because if say a 10 comes across, that's them all going in one go. So if you want one, just come up with it and say love the hats, lads, and you will get one of them. Like I say, fishing rig with 2-0 hooks. Change them if you wish, you can. And it's got a few stickers and little bits and pieces inside.
But you cannot cheat. You cannot say love your Judd or love your Dane.
Might get you everywhere with him, but not with me.
Well, it's a good idea, you know. But it's just to say thank you very much for helping out. So it's not much, but it's just a little something.
Just something we've put together for you.
So, I must admit it's John's idea, and I agreed with him. So,
Hey, take two.
I cannot do no one. I mean, it's partnerships. Right? I'm saying no, man, John.
I think you need to shut up. You keep digging yourself, will you? Right, but just a little thank you. But if you can say them magic words, which I've just showed you, yeah, please do it. And if you can, and like I say, if you're enjoying the channel, if you're enjoying watching it, please click that like, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to, it'd be lovely to see comments, because we like to see comments. So yeah, thank you very much.
Just keep the comments going. Like what John says, we see we come over, have a chat with her. You never know, you might get something else you're just doing there. But up to now, we've got 5 fish. Aye, 5.
Aye.
I had to study there.
Aye, 5 fish.
So John's given us the nerd, like, you know. So we're going to get another 2. But like 7 up. Hey, I could count.
Did you get to school after all?
Well, I can't count after 7. What comes after 7?
I'm buggered then.
But it's now Dean at the minute. Joe got the last one. So,
Aye.
so we'll get back to you shortly. All for the best. Because I was sitting in the car with Joe yanked us out. Saying how well we've got to do this. You know. I was going to have a cup of coffee and warm myself up. But you know, with me being that ad. You know, I'll see it for you,
That
Joe.
ad. Hey, I didn't see it now.
You know what it is? I've got a coat under here, with a thermals in, and I've got a big Yorkshire coat stuck in the box up there, and I haven't put it on.
You're an idiot.
Because I'm an idiot, John says. No, it's just in case anybody passes to have a look at that. So, there you are. John's giggling away. In fact, he's my beating myself now. So I'm gonna have a cuppa. I'm gonna be
What? Oh, you're
I forget what I was gonna say now.
I have an air, but you're you know what it is, he gets cringy at times.
I'm gonna check this word before I have a cuppa anyway. Catch you shortly.
Right now, it is 20 to 4 now. We've been here a hell of a lot longer than expected.
Again.
Well, we seem to get an hour at the top, but never mind. What can we say? We love rock fishing. The high tide was 10 o'clock this morning. But we've just had last cast. We're gonna call it a day. But it's been good day. I've enjoyed it, I must admit. It's been a good day.
At least it wasn't.
It definitely wasn't a blank day.
Blank.
So there's been 5 fish caught in total altogether.
Yay!
Which I'm out of the moon about.
So am I.
So what we're gonna do now, like I've just said, we're calling it last cast.
Ah, John, famous last cast.
Right, famous last cast. And if there's out else, we'll come back to you. Oh, you want to see it?
No, just thank you again. We'll keep thanking you. We'll
Constantly do every
just
week,
constant,
I think.
But it's been absolutely great. Your support all the way through, and all the way through the winter, and it's really fantastic. So we began just our, I would say, just our year.
Aye, on YouTube we're here,
On
aye.
YouTube,
On YouTube you get on here.
So like what John says, we're gonna wrap up now and start packing up and go home.
Yes.
I think that's where we'll live.
I'm not always sure if we'll live with that sort of person we'll go to.
Right.
At home, or we'll actually live on the river or the beach, or I'm not too sure, I'm confused me. Because we're supposed to spend more time on the beach and we do it. That thing with a roof over our head. No, but seriously, we're gonna get in here and see what lovely wives. Because we do miss them at the end of the day.
Do the miss us, but
No,
no.
enjoy the peace.
Aye. Thought you gotta say that.
It's reality, it's true.
So
kick wood.
we're gonna wrap this up and say good day tight lines to everybody. Goodbye from that idiot.
Goodbye from that plonker. Gobshite. Where do you want us to stop?
So, see ya. Hang on, get my glove off. Tight lines.
Aye, tight lines. We'll see you next time on the beach.